Sometimes you will never know the value of a moment until it becomes a memory. You are the artist of your own life. Don't give the paintbrush to anyone else. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. The greatest gift you can receive is another day of life. Accept no one's definition of your life. Define yourself. Life is about trying things, making mistakes, and learning from them. Behind every failure, there's an experience you have gained. Life is not measured by the number of breaths we take, but by the moments that take our breath away. In the blink of an eye, it could all be taken away. Be grateful always. Don't let yesterday take up too much of today. Someone else is dreaming about the things we take for granted. You